Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. This is the last day actually for our trading in 2022. So next week will be actually on a different year. So maybe the market will try to recover. So I was also trying to check the calendar. Maybe you can see there is nothing. Actually, there is nothing. So there is nothing that is going to push the market to go up or down. But it's better to stay safe or out of the market. You see. So yeah, I've done something for you guys. For those who wants to be part of the team, you can see there for 12-month signal is $29. This is going to end actually on Sunday until weekend, actually until Sunday. So Monday we going back on our normal prices. So yeah, don't say I did not tell you. Actually, the normal prices is actually this one. So yeah, we will see actually next year. Yeah, let's go or actually on our daily analysis. I hope you're doing great. I hope you're doing great. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So what do we see? Let's go. As you know, we start with GBPJPY. So the best time frame, is going to be 4 hours time frame. I don't know if later on on Trader Nick channel, I don't know if maybe we're gonna go on our live session, but I will see. I think maybe we're still going to go on the live session. I hope maybe we're not going to get that that load shading, because there is like always load shading here. So yeah, what's really happening here is the market is pushing up. You can see that the market is actually doing what? Pushing up, which means we are actually uptrending. I've been talking about this for quite some time now. You can see the market is doing something like that. But sorry, on top there, you can see that we have an area where we can just call it a resistance. If I go on a daily time frame, you will see what I'm talking about. Or if maybe if you've been following my analysis, obviously you will see what I'm talking about. Yeah, let's see. This is a daily time frame. You can easily see that actually the market is doing what? The market was actually pushing down, which means the dollar, it was very, very, very strong. Dollar was very, very, very strong. So that's why we saw the market pushing down. And now the market is trying to recover. But this recovery is not like it's no longer on that bearish move, because there is a chance for the market to do what? To reach that resistance. This is the resistance that I'm talking about. To reach this resistance here and still continue with that downtrend. Yes, there is a chance for the market to break this area and push the upside. But what I like is we will be watching that. We will wait for the market to show us everything before we take any action. Simple as that. So if I go back on my 4 hours time frame, you will see that actually where we are, the market is being consolidated. Let me remove this. You will see that the market has been playing games around there, around this support area. You can see that the market doesn't really want to push up and still doesn't really want to break. So the market is actually doing what? The market is still deciding what to do. Then after, we will see a very crazy move. But for now, I can say it's better maybe to have your buy pending order, because the move can be like seriously aggressive. The market can create some serious aggressive moves, especially when we are on this support area. Simple as that, right? So let's push to the next one, which is Euro USD. So Euro USD, what's really happening on Euro USD? A popular currency pair actually. So Euro USD is still actually on that uptrend. The market is still uptrending very nice, even though now the market is actually consolidating. You can see going back there, the market was doing what? The market was creating a very nice uptrend. But after that, we see the market creating this aggressive move, which is nice because it shows that the market was actually on this nice uptrend, and actually the dollar was trying to recover, right? So the European pound was actually recovering against the dollar. So what we see now is, let me just remove some of that. It's fine. I think you can easily see that the market is still deciding which direction to take, but already we know that the market is actually pushing to the upside. It's just a matter of time for the market to break this area or this zone. You see that? So if the market breaks these zones, we will say, okay, maybe now it's time to do what? To continue with that buy. That's why I have a buy pending order on top there. Or there's a chance for the market to break this support area, and there it's going to be like a hit and run. The market can still go like seriously lower selling, but just know that the market is still on uptrend, so there is a chance for the market to break but to turn anyway, as there is the momentum, bullish momentum is still very strong. I hope you understand. So don't get confused with that. So what's really happening on USDJPY, UJ? So this is quite straightforward. I think I've been repeating this for quite some time now. We can easily see that the market is actually on a very nice downtrend. Do you see that? I think this is the simplest move that you can get actually on the market. Just see this type of moves. And you know, once you see those moves, you know what to do, because we are on a downtrend. You know, on a downtrend, we do what? We only look for sell positions. So once you see stuff like this happening, you know that there is a chance for an opportunity to take that opportunity. I see the other one here. You remember when we were talking about, we did talk about that yesterday. So, and it's happening. Remember, this is 4 hours time frame, by the way. So it shows that yes, the market did actually push lower, and there is not even a reversal. So, which is great actually. So yeah, I think this one is quite straightforward. We are still on that bearish. We might wait for the market to hit our take profit. It's up to you. You can get out or whatever. Remember, this is the last day actually of a trading for 2022. So bad or good things might happen. The market can go up or down. We don't know, so it's better for us just to relax. Since yesterday, actually, I did not take any trade. I think day before that I did take trade. Actually, it was gold. It went very nice into smaller profit, then it bounced back again and it closed us out. Guess what? Now the market went up again. So that's crazy. That's seriously crazy. But anyways, yeah, the market sometimes does stuff like that. We can't just win every day. So yeah, let's push to the next one, which is actually gold. This is the gold that I was talking about. So yeah, what's really happening? You can see that yes, already this is the perfect or the simplest move that you can get in the market. Actually, the market is uptrending very nice. You can see that the market is doing what? It's uptrending very nice. So we got out, I think, around that area. So let me show you what happened. The market actually pushed up. Unfortunately, we entered a bit late. So I think we entered around this area. Then the market pushed up, then went lower before pushing up again. Yes, sometimes something like that happens, and I think sometimes you can't just say maybe you have to place your stop loss like very far. You see, our stop loss, because we entered around that area, our stop loss was very reasonable around here. It just touched our stop loss and pushed lower. But just know that we're not going to lose that every day. Sometimes the market does that and break out. Let's just imagine if maybe you don't really have a stop loss. But on this one, I think maybe our stop loss was very tight. Maybe it was supposed to be a little bit lower. And for now, we're just going to hit that TP, which is bad, but we know this game, so we can't catch every move. And even the simplest one, sometimes they just close you out. And we're not going to cry about that, and we're not going to go back on the market and try to revenge that, because we know that days won't be the same. So on top here, we see that the market created some very nice resistance structure or a zone. So now we're expecting the market to do what? Maybe to play around before going down, or maybe we might see a breakout and we can continue with that buy. Do you see that? This is it's very nice structure. I don't really like it because actually I missed that. I missed that nice move. But anyways, you miss some and you win some. You miss some and you catch some. I think something like that exists or something. If it doesn't really exist, it's fine. So don't forget that, guys. We have something for you. We have something for you. This was going to end actually this Friday. Okay, sorry, it's this one. This is going to end this Sunday, not this Friday. Sorry. So this Friday, this Sunday, that is going to end. Then we just going back on our normal prices. So now we are on US oil. What's really happening on US oil? I think maybe it's time for me to do what? To remove this. So on US oil, everyone can see that yes, we are actually, or yeah, we are still actually on a very nice and very strong actually a downtrend. The market has been selling, and we want that because oil prices were very high. Maybe now the inflation will try to go a bit lower, especially this January. I think maybe the prices will start to go slow, like go down very nice. So we can now afford to buy some other things. So I hope you see that. So if I go closer there, we have to understand that the market is still on a downtrend. But what's really happening here? The market is trying to push the upside. Then this might be a trick. The market just want to trick us so that we can lose some. If we were just making money that easy, so the market won't just let us to do that for a long time. So I don't think that structure exists. So let me just remove that. So I think here it's much better for me just to wait for the structure, some structures to happen. I think on the bottom side, I see something like this. You see that? So on top side there, remember this is 4 hours time frame, by the way. I see something, yeah, something like that. So there is a chance for the market to create something like that before maybe going down. But I'm just waiting for the structure to happen first, because if I can say I want to catch every move there, it's gonna be a disaster. So I don't really like to do that. So, but what I know is we are on a downtrend. So let's wait for a much better structure. For now, I'll just, holy shit, I forgot to go back on the shit. I forgot to change the structure. So anyways, I will just repeat that as quick as possible. So what's really happening? You can see that US oil is doing what? It's going down. Very nice. The market is still respecting our resistance. So what we see here is the market created several structures. Now the market is a bit confusing. We would know very well that we actually want to sell, but now the market is creating this type of a structure. So what we want here is, I identified this point here, even this point here. Maybe the market will want to do it. Maybe the market wants to consolidate around this area. And if that is it's what is going to happen, yes, we're going to wait for the market to reach this area. You see the resistance point there, then we can sell. But the aim is not just to sell on the small moves, because I think the market will continue going down. But yes, there is a chance for the market to still try to push the upside. Do you see that? So yeah, let's push to the next one. Which is US30. US30. What's really happening on US30? I think now, as I explained this several times, now you can easily see that the market is actually doing what? The market is actually trying to push lower. Even though we see that the market is just ranging or consolidating, we can easily see that, yeah, it seems like the market wants to continue with that sell. I think I just missed that, but guys, I'm not going to send the signal even today, just to make sure that everything is safe. There's so much stuff going on, especially now, and there is very low activity in the market, so which will cause actually very low volatility, which means there is no enough money circulating in the market. Next week, things are going to resume, so it's better to wait for the market, because there is a chance. Yes, I like the structure here. It's simple. We see that we have a resistance, but the market can still do that, or the market can still go down. We have those two options, but for now I think it's much better for us to learn to wait. Let's learn to wait for the market, even if we see that, okay, maybe this was an opportunity, yeah, but not every opportunity is supposed to take. Some opportunities at the end of the day you're just going to lose, so you have to miss some. So yeah, we see that the market was consolidating, trying to decide which direction to take, and it took this bearish move, and now the market is still trying to do the same thing. I'm expecting maybe the market to still push lower and do something like this. I'm expecting something like that. Do you see that? So yeah, I'm still expecting the market to give us some bearish vibes as the market is still under pressure, as there is so much stuff going on. The interest rates are very high, so that actually pushes the market to the lowest side. I saw this actually earlier on NASDAQ. It was also doing the same thing. So what's really happening on NASDAQ? We can easily see that actually the market is actually on that downtrend, but we have a very nice support area, a very nice support area. So for the whole year, actually the market was doing what? Was actually pushing lower. Do you see that? The market has been pushing lower for quite some time. So it means whatever that we're going to check there, let's try to look for sell positions. But whatever the market is creating here, sometimes it's not that clear because the market just pushes up, goes down. Sometimes we can't connect the lines very nice because the market is just creating this type of a structure. That is there just to confuse us. You just enter here, then the market try to push the upside. So relax, wait for the market to close. Then on Monday we're going to resume, or Monday, Tuesday, something like that, we're going to resume, something like that. Do you see that? I hope you understand. So sometimes we just need to wait. You can even wait a week not trading, as long as you know that when there is an opportunity, a much better opportunity, you're just going to jump on it. I hope you understand that. So yeah, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. So we have something for you until this Sunday. If you want to be part of the team, you can just see there in the screen. If you are in South Africa, that is 499, or if you are all over the place, I mean, if you are outside South Africa, that is going to be $29 until this Sunday. So thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye.